This is the watch that's trending right now in the smartwatch market. Apple Watch Ultra, one of the best. It has a great design, great screen, very bright screen, and it has a titanium case which is really sturdy, high quality belt, and great for extreme sports and also casual dress. Is the price tag worth it? Let's find out in this video. Okay guys, so this is the Apple Watch Ultra. It's a great watch, 49mm, and it has a great display. And this is the compass. The compass will tell you where you are if you get lost. For example, this is the compass that you use, and as you can see, it tells you the direction you be and also the angle you be from the equator, and you can backtrack your steps to get to your point of origin. And when I click on the action button, it takes me to the sports mode, and from here you can choose the kind of sport that you want. But again, you can always customize the action button so you can launch any application you want. For example, here you go to the phone and you can customize the action button so you can choose workout or anything else. And I'm gonna choose flashlight because the flashlight comes handy, especially at night. And in the action button menu, from here, you can select the app that you want to launch. Instead of workout, you can select anything else such as stopwatch, waypoint, backtracking, and also flashlight. Now I'm going to select flashlight because it comes handy at night. I don't do any sports with this watch though. I just use it for casual dress. And the battery life is amazing. I had 82% on a Friday morning at 7 o'clock in the morning, and I didn't charge the watch until Sunday night at 11 o'clock, and I still had 30% of battery life remaining, which means that the battery life can last up to 36 hours. And the night mode is amazing. It has a beautiful display. All you need to do is just twist the crown clockwise and you get this beautiful screen. And you can always look at the time on the Apple Watch, even if it is powered off. When it is off, you can still see what time is it. Like over here, we're going to turn it off and you're going to see that you can still look at the time on the watch, which is a great feature as well. So when your watch is off, simply long press on the crown and it shows the time, even though the watch is completely off. That's an amazing feature, and I haven't seen it on any other smartwatch so far, only on this Apple Watch Ultra. I'm not sure if it is available on the Series 8, like the regular Series 8, but I know that on the Ultra it is available. Simply long press on the crown and you see the time displayed on the screen. Let's power it back on and let's go check out the features, the safety features of this watch. So we're gonna go ahead, you long press on the side button, you're gonna see the Siren, the compass, and also the SOS button. When you slide the SOS, it's gonna call 911, of course. And as you can see, it is dialing the emergency services, but I'm gonna have to hang up before it calls 911. One of the great features of the watch is the Siren. Once you launch it, you can hear it up to 600 feet. And it gets louder and louder. One simple click on the side button, you get your recent app. From here, you can select the app that you launched before. You can use it as a shortcut. So guys, the 44mm of the regular Series 8 with GPS and cellular is $529. So I rather add $280 to get this one that has tons of feature and elegant watch, flat screen, titanium case, and it is just nice. It is really worth it to me. And this is the customization of the watch face. It has 8 complications. You can really set up your complication, put the shortcuts that you like to launch. So guys, going back to the price, $799 and the other one is $529. So the difference is $280. So $280 you get all these great features. The Apple Watch is elegant. This one has flat screen and the titanium case makes it more valuable, and it is rugged, very sturdy. It is hard to break. It is a great investment if you ask me. So to me, I don't play any sports for real, but I use this watch as a dress watch, casual watch, like my regular daily driver. I know it is big watch, but I like big watches, so I have no issues of wearing this watch on my wrist. So guys, if you find this video interesting, please give me a whole bunch of likes, and also don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. And let's check out the weather app. It's right here, good looking weather application. So this watch is just like an iPhone on your wrist. You can do anything you want. You can answer phone calls and also make phone calls, text message, you name it. It's a standalone watch because it has a cellular capability, and also the safety mode, the safety applications are amazing. And this is the workout modes that you can select, the one that you like to do. It all depends on what kind of workout you want to do, but as I mentioned, I don't do any sports. I just use it for fun because I like the look of the watch. And you can customize the watch faces. So from your phone, you go to the Apple Watch application. From there, you can customize your watch faces. Like here, I selected few of them, and as you can see, I'm gonna scroll to the left, and you're gonna see it has a beautiful watch face that I selected. And also, you can customize the watch face. You can add a lot of complications on it, up to 8 complications. And it is really nice watch faces. You can also put your picture of your family, loved ones, and anything. You can use any picture to make a watch face. And this is it, my friends. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching.